Hey guys, Goofy Kid here. Arcade Block unboxing. So this is pretty cool. Okay. And off the bat we have this here, which is the card. Oh, wicked! I see two things already. I love. Or three, sorry, three. Yippee! The t-shirt, Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Yeah, everyone knows what that is. Call of Duty. I think. Yep. We have this. Whoa. Oh my god, it's Harry. I'm gonna start crying. And there's official too. Oh my god, that is so cool. I think I'm gonna wear that. There you go. We have a Fallout figure. I don't know which one I'll get, but I'm hoping it's him. Or him. Or her. Whatever. Oh. Whatever. Yes, I'm a Doctor Who fan. No, I get him. Whoever he is. It's cool. I think it's him up there. I got one of him. I think cool, isn't he? He's cool. I didn't. He's deadly. The actually design is epic and the paintwork is class. Retro Collection. Super Nintendo. I still have my Super Nintendo actually, guys. I do. I really do. I love Super Nintendo. Love it. I've also got the Nintendo Entertainment System as well, the old school one. That is class. This is K'NEX or whatever, Titanfall, whatever. K'NEX. You build something with it. So that's kinda cool. I love building stuff. Uncharted. Zelda. Hello. Is it? Yeah. Hello, Zelda. So guys, if you like this video, click that like button. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next unboxing video. So, peace out and stay safe and love and respect. And I'll see you guys